Hi, my name is Alison. I'm a Vancouver-based financial planner and advisor, and I have a family, a 10-year-old daughter, a husband, and now a dog. Before I met Brigitte, I hated mealtime. I never knew what to make. I really felt like I lack imagination when it comes to coming up with a meal, especially because we're not totally vegan. My husband doesn't eat dairy. My daughter, typical 10-year-old, likes one thing one day and another thing the next. I've been mostly vegetarian since I was 14 years old, and it seemed like the only thing we had in common was being vegan. So when I started working with Brigitte, she sends me a meal plan for the next 2 weeks, and my favorite part, a shopping list. I don't have to think. I just go to the grocery store, get what she tells me to get, come home, do some prep on Saturday or Sunday. My daughter loves to join in on that, and when the weekdays come, it's about 20 minutes to 30 minutes to get a really healthy dinner on the table. So my favorite part is having food in the fridge. I also love that we have a lot less food waste. When I used to go to the grocery store, I'd buy a lot of different ingredients, hoping that or intending to make a certain recipe and then not get around to it, and there'd end up being a lot of really good food going in the compost or garbage. So we have a lot less food waste. We always have a meal on the table. We're eating more vegetables and fruits. We're eating much more healthy, and I don't have to think about what's for dinner. So I really recommend getting a meal plan. Maybe a vegan meal plan is what you need. You can always add in the meat, dairy, or eggs if you still want it. But having a vegan meal plan is going to get you healthier, more balanced, more nutritious, and just more organized around getting food on the table. So happy eating.